Max here again, doing another escape from the Clejuso 19r with the bobby pin again. This time I've got my hands stacked and I haven't tried this at all to see if I can actually do it.
This is gonna, it's gonna end one of two ways. One, not very well. Two, you're gonna need assistance.
Isn't that the same as number one?
Nah, I'm more concerned that you might break yourself or fall backwards and smash some snake houses, and we'll have escaped snakes and.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm meant to be doing.
You try not to look like a crazy person by talking to yourself.
At least I know what I'm doing this time, and I know how I bent it as well.
Oh, so you have some idea of what to do. You think?
I have some idea of what I did wrong as well.
Well, that's at least something.
Ah.
I broke another one. I should stick my Fitbit on you when you do these videos, because you seem to do a lot of walking backwards and forwards.
I'm surprised you asked us, but you can Pokemon Go in my pocket.
Well, I would, but my Pokemon Go's on the on my video, on my phone, and
I just pinged it. There it is.
You use my phone to do the recording. So unfortunately, I can't do my Pokemon Go if you want to record a video.
That's better shape.
Best time to do Pokemon Go anyways when I go shopping.
There's a double lock off.
Oh, that's the start. Now can you do the rest?
Oh, that hurts. It's an awkward position.
Well, I didn't think it was going to be easy for you.
I dropped it. Dropped it.
Oh my goodness, you're worse than me with a hula hoop. Well, it does look very awkward. I think you should come closer to the camera so they can see how like awkward positioning this looks. Just gonna swivel around.
I dropped it.
Hold your arms up like in the and then show the bend that the way you were bending it. No, the handcuffs, because you had it like one of them at a 90-degree angle.
What, like that?
Yeah, but you can't see it on the camera. Like this. Because obviously these ones are hinged. Oh my goodness.
Pinged. I don't know where it went.
Dropped it, pinged it, and it went somewhere. Oh, I'm gonna have to find a place to hide. Oh, you got it off.
Escaped with
Yay.
the bobby pin from being stacked. Well, I'll show you how I did it in a second. So it's probably a good thing that we decided to do this. But if you're going to be escaping from the stack position, the shape that you need to go for with your bobby pin is that. A steep angle there gives you a bit better reach. That's what I changed to be able to do it.
It's about 80-degree angle.
What's that?
There it is. That's 90.
And that 90 would be...
So 90 would be there from that bit. So 90, 95, 90, 85, 80.
Would that be about 100 to 110?
Because you can do it either way, because that way it would be 85, that way it's 110.
This angle here.
Yeah, which is about 110.
Okay.
That way. Man.
Anyway, now we've got that sorted out.
Try not to tell me maths.
some double locked Clejuso 19Rs. All I actually did to get the double lock off was hook it in there and push once I get the right place. I don't actually know where I hit. There. That's a double lock off.
Ta-da!
Then for the locking poles, in here, twist it there. You don't want to be all the way at the back or all the way at the front. You want to be a little bit away from the front. Twist and nothing happens.
Twist again. Ta-da!
Takes a couple of attempts because the locking pole isn't as wide as
Stop moving.
the handcuff body. Well, I went into more detail with that on the normal escape from them. You're proper concentrating on the phone there.
Because it wasn't focusing.
Oh, it does that all the time.
I know, because it's not designed to do autofocus.
Anyway, I think that's all from us. Yep, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.